Alright, imagine this. It's a regular night. The moon is glowing bright, and then something unimaginable happens. The moon starts moving toward Earth. What if the moon actually collided with Earth? Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, right? But let's dive into the science of this catastrophic scenario. First, the moon is our closest celestial neighbor, orbiting around 384,400 kilometers away. It's responsible for tides and has a profound influence on our planet's stability. But what if, somehow, the moon's orbit decayed and it began its deadly spiral towards Earth? As the moon approaches, the gravitational forces would wreak havoc. Tides would turn into colossal waves, swallowing coastal cities. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would become the norm. The moon's gravitational pull would stretch and compress Earth's crust, making our planet a living nightmare. Now, as the moon gets closer, its sheer size becomes an existential threat. At 3,474 kilometers in diameter, it's about a third of the size of Earth. A collision would release an unimaginable amount of energy. For context, the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs was about 10 kilometers in diameter. The moon is over 300 times that size. When the collision finally happens, the impact would be catastrophic. The kinetic energy released would be equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. The immediate aftermath? A massive explosion, sending debris into space and creating a new ring around Earth. The shockwave would obliterate everything in its path, vaporizing land and boiling oceans. The heat generated would incinerate anything within pass sound. Collision could even crack Earth's crust, causing lava to spew out and forming new mountain ranges. The atmosphere would be filled with dust and ash, blocking out sunlight and plunging the world into darkness. This would trigger a global winter, making survival nearly impossible. But let's not forget, the moon's collision wouldn't just be a surface-level disaster. The core of our planet would be affected too. The impact could alter Earth's rotation, tilt, and even its orbit around the sun. These changes would have long-term effects, potentially making Earth uninhabitable. So, how likely is this scenario? Thankfully, not at all. The moon is gradually moving away from Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. It's safe to say that the moon crashing into Earth is purely the stuff of nightmares and science fiction. But exploring these scenarios helps us appreciate the delicate balance of our cosmic environment. It reminds us of the incredible forces at play in the universe and how lucky we are to have the moon as a steady companion in the night sky. So next time you look up at the moon, remember this. It's not just a pretty sight. It's a giant, astronomical guardian, maintaining the balance of our planet. And thank your lucky stars it's staying right where it is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this mind-bending scenario, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fascinating content about our universe.